Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Today we'd like to tell you about this beautiful 1969 E-Type Jaguar. Exterior color is black with tan interior. These are the original colors. The body's in great shape. There's absolutely no rust. The paint's in beautiful condition. Wheels are like new. Has the correct Avon tires. 4 new tires, including the spare. Stainless steel exhaust. The soft top's in very nice condition. You'll see it in the still photos. Interior is very nice. Gauges, beautiful condition. Dash is excellent. Sun visors, door panels. You can drive this E-Type or show it. I'm going to attempt to get in it and start it up for you. Here we go. Starts right up. I already warmed it up because the choke's all the way in. I already warmed it up. All the gauges are working. I don't think the clock is working. So oil pressure. And we drove it the other day for a good hour. Runs cool. Drives excellent. Suspension feels really good, nice and smooth, shifts well, clutch feels great. 75,000 miles, 75,008. Here we are back on the outside. Just give you a listen to the exhaust. Very nice collector quality E-Type Jaguar in original colors and restored to its original condition. No extra modifications. As I mentioned, it drives great. This is a vehicle you can buy right away and enjoy it. It's not something you're going to have to do repairs on and not be able to drive it right away. Take a look at the still photos and give us a call. I can tell you more about the vehicle. We have extensive records of all the work that's been done on it. We have the original owner's manual. There's a lot that goes with this vehicle. Thank you for looking in, and we hope to hear from you.